and thank you for joining me. This is Kristen Nye with CreditLineNow.com. In our last video, we took a look at the application process to qualify for a Kabbage line of credit for small business. So today we're going to take a look at how to use that Kabbage line of credit once you're approved. There are ways to take a loan. Once you're approved, you have the option to draw on the line and have funds sent via an ACH transaction directly to your bank account, which will take 1 to 3 business days. The second option is to use PayPal, which will happen almost instantly, about 1 business day. Another option is a Kabbage credit card, which will access your line of credit by using it at places that accept Visa. You can instantly cover transactions by swiping the card. This will initiate a 6-month loan. You will have 2 options for loan terms, the 6-month term and the 12-month term. In the case of the 6-month term, your principal will be split in 1/6 amounts, plus every month you'll have a fee of 1.5 to 10% for the first 2 months and 1 to 1.25% for the last 4 months. Again, all Kabbage credit card draws are on the 6-month term. In the 12-month term, you have 12 monthly installments of 1/12 of the withdrawal amount. The first 6 months fees range from 1.5% to 10%, followed by 1% to 1.25% for the last 6 months. Keep in mind that there are no origination fees and no prepayment penalties. So this means the only fees that you will pay are the monthly fees for as long as you keep the line out. That means if you only keep a loan for 1 month, you only pay 1 month of fees. Here is an example of a $10,000 loan in a 6-month term and a 12-month term. In this case, the rate is 1.5% for the first payments and 1% for the remaining payments. You can see here how the principal and the fees equate the total due. Once you have selected your loan amount, you will have this schedule to review, so you will see exactly what the payment amount will be and when the first payment will be due. You will also confirm the bank account that the funds are going to and that the payments will be withdrawn from. You do have flexibility on your payment date once the loan is in place. And again, be reminded there are no origination fees and no prepayment penalties. Upon deciding your loan terms, you'll have one more chance to review the loan agreement and confirm all the fees. Again, the Kabbage credit card is another way to access your line of credit, and be advised that this is not a separate product. This accesses the same line of credit that you can transfer into your bank account. This is a great tool to keep in your wallet if you have emergency situations, last-minute inventory purchases, anything that you purchase in store that you want some extra time to pay for. I always found this to be a very handy thing for my business. In this infographic, you can see exactly how you can take exactly what you need. Your funding will be at your fingertips. You have no additional fees and costs to open this line of credit, and there is no yearly or monthly fee to keep it available to you. You only pay when you use the balance and for the time you use it for. Again, this is a tool that I used in my business for years. I found it to be very useful, and there's no risk to apply, and there's no cost to keep it available. I hope this has helped you understand how to use the Kabbage line of credit and whether or not it'll be a good fit for your business. If you would like to see the terms of your business line, please complete the short application at CreditLineNow.com/secure, and you can be instantly approved. In our next video, we will compare several lending options as well as the various suppliers of those. I hope we can look forward to seeing you. This is Kristen Nye with CreditLineNow.com. Thank you for joining me.